So when we have a gap fill task like this, we need to look at a couple of things from our options which are listed at the top. We need to decide on the gender of a noun, so for example if it's masculine or feminine, and also if it's singular or plural. And the same applies to the adjectives, so we need to examine the words and see which ones fit grammatically as well as making sense. So for our first word, we have it preceded by the word la, which indicates a feminine singular word. So from our list at the top, there's only one feminine singular noun, which is teknologia, which means technology. So I'm going to pop it in the gap there. And I'm also going to get rid of it from our options because we won't need it anymore, so we can disregard that when working through the other gaps. Our second gap is preceded by the word las, which indicates a feminine plural subject. If we look at our list at the top, there's only one option which would fit there, ciencias, which means science. So that's going in there, and I'm also going to get rid of it. For our next gap, we're not looking for a noun, we're looking for an adjective, and the word son indicates that it's a plural adjective. From our list at the top, there's only one plural adjective, which is difíciles. That means difficult. I'm going to pop that in the gap and get rid of it from the list. For our next gap, we have the word los, which indicates a masculine plural subject. There's only one in our list, which is idiomas, which means languages. So that goes in there, and of course we get rid of it. For our next gap, we have the word el. So we are looking for a masculine singular subject. So there's only one left that would fit in this gap, which is comercio, which means business studies. So I'm going to add that to the gap. Now, we only have one word left and we only have one gap left, so we could quite easily just pop that in there, but it's really important to check that it does fit, because if we've made a mistake earlier, then we may have the wrong answer here, and therefore we may need to go back and change something. So let's just double check that the word that we've got left does fit grammatically and sensically. So we have the word es, which indicates that we need a singular adjective. So we have our word that we have left, emocionante. It's an adjective and it's singular, so it fits there grammatically. So let's just check it fits sensically. We are talking about their favourite subject because we can see the phrase asignatura preferida, and this word is describing their favourite subject, so it needs to be positive. Well, emocionante means exciting, so we can see that it also fits sensically as well. And we've used all of our words, so we've completed the task successfully.